How many times have you faced this problem where you have some idea but you don't know how to start? So, a lot of people I talk, they have this where they have certain vague ideas or maybe one line idea, but they don't know how to start. Now, here's a prompt tool which is can help you with transferring for that one line idea to actually a proper prompt, which you can start using it to build your own product or automation or anything. So this is what I call as a prompt smith. Transform your vague idea into a powerful prompt, because end of the day, when you whatever the prompt you give is where the magic starts happening with the AI. So how do I start this? This is a tool, as you see, you just have to give some details here and then start. It helps to ask a lot of questions, very relevant questions to build your prompt. So for example, let me start with maybe I want to give a prompt which is small time, a CRM for yoga, small time yoga and yoga studio and gym owners. So this is something which I give. Then as you see here, it starts asking. So the idea, this is all the idea you have. But now you need to answer all these things. And once you answer some of the things you can even skip, then you develop a prompt. So let me just show you how to add some questions I already have. So second question is all about what's your vision and story. So I add something like empower small time yoga. So that's a vision. You need to have a vision. Without vision, your prompt is always less. So a big vision, then what is the problem you're solving, right? So obviously you would have seen. So these are things which AI cannot do. Only you can actually input these. So this is the job you must be focused on. So you give these things. What are the primary users? Again, a small time, single or 232 studio, yoga studio owners, yoga studio or gym owners. So I want to make sure that my target is very specific. This is one of the very key thing we insist when we work with clients. Who are your? So what are the top 3 points? You can skip some of the things also. So what is the outcome you want? Again, so what is the outcome I want? I want something which is a sleek UI. So get more clients, conversions, right, by 3x and renewals by 3x, and help owners manage grow their business all in single tool. So I can give something. I'm just showing you what is that. So again, 3 to 5 features is sleek UI, mobile friendly, AI powered. So I'm just skipping some of the things. Any take constraints, AI powered, mobile friendly, cloud based. So these are something I give. And then how you measure faster user retention, yes, greater than 60%, and ratings 4.8 or more, and sales closure in less than 2 days, like that. I'm just giving. So now you generate the prompts. As you see here, you have completely, this is a far better prompt for your when you start going to the AI to give it. Again, the more you make your inputs very clear, it becomes much easier. So this is, you can copy this prompt and immediately use this into your ChatGPT, Claude, which we are using. So this is a tool which you will be get exposed when you join our program, 30-day AI Builder Accelerator. But not just this, there are various other tools also we have which will help you to move from your idea. Even if you don't have idea, we have certain tools from idea to Actually, every question here we have certain tools. How do you find the pain points? How do you find the competitor? So different tools you will be exposed to, so that your idea can be actually build a product. And even if you want to launch to outside, you can launch, or maybe internal in organization you can implement. So I would love to see, click the link and register yourself, enroll for the program. How to develop an idea to build actually AI solution in just 30 days. So this will be an 8-session live implementation where I'm going to help you as a professional coach, or you're a business owner. How do you actually come with an idea, and how to turn that idea to a real prompt, and then start with that prompt to building the solution, whether it's an automation or whether it's your own SaaS application or anything, maybe how to develop a mobile application, all these things, how you do it with AI without spending a lot of effort or time, and you will have something ideas built, so that you are becomes an AI builder. So this is a program where we are launching. The enrollment closes on 17th, and from then we will be starting this. As I said, this program, you can just click the link below where I will share all the details, like how do you shift your mindset, skill sets and tool sets. And we go from a very clear 4-step thinking, prompting, prototyping and launching. So this is a one of a time where I am doing this. Click the link and learn more and register yourself.